Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to show you this look today. But first things first, Black Lives Matter. They matter. They have always mattered and they will continue to matter forever. Glad we're on the same page. Last week I showed you how to donate a minimal amount. Hold up, did I just say minimal? I meant minimum. Oops. Amount of money to an organization for Black Lives Matter. I walked you through step by step from searching where to donate, who to donate to, and how easy it was to do so. I was gonna do the same thing this week, but it's not that I didn't donate money. When I was editing my last video and I was inputting those screenshots and screen video of how to donate, I accidentally donated an extra $5 last week. Here's my receipt, just to show you that I'm not lying. Literally timestamped the day after. Yeah, that's a fail, but you know, that's me. I feel like that's such a Celeste move and I donated $5 more. I hope you guys choose to donate this week with whatever amount of money that you can afford and inspire someone else to do the same. If it's not the bail fund that I chose, look up something else and another organization to donate to. The star of the show this week is Calicake by Qeaux Beauty, and wow. Yes, I am wearing this on my lips right now. Yes, it looks completely different from the tube. I mean, look at how purple that is and beautiful, and there's little sparkles in it. You need it, you need to try it, and I'm just gonna stop talking. I feel like I've said what I needed to say. If you're just as excited about this look as I am, get ready, because we're going in with the Zodiac palette again. I do have to say, I'm so sorry. It is not on the ColourPop website anymore, and I'm super sad about it because the Zodiac collection was the bomb. I don't know why it wasn't there. Like, why get rid of something great? I don't understand. So I'm gonna start off with this color right here, Libra. We're gonna take a fluffy brush that looks exactly like the M513. Taking that color, we're just gonna swipe back and forth like a windshield wiper into the crease. This is your transitional shade for the deeper purple that we're gonna be using in just a moment. And it's gonna help you blend and not have such a harsh line. We are gonna take a small fluffy brush if you have it. We're gonna take this color Sagittarius. In the camera it looks a little bit more plum colored, but we're just gonna work with it. So we're just taking it, buffing it into this little area, just like that. And we'll slowly start to bring it out a little bit. Slowly. That is the trick with shadow. You do want to take your time because it can get crazy real quick, especially if you're using deeper shades and shades that you're not kind of used to. We want you to get comfortable with blending. Blend, blend, blend. I'm just going to take more of Sagittarius and go into my inner corner right here. It's very scary. I know it's out of your comfort zone, but that's the whole point of this look because, you know, a lot of us don't wear bright colors like purple, and I want you to feel comfortable to wear purple and be like, I got this, I look good. So just keep blending until you get to a point where you're just going to connect these two purple colors. Look in your mirror, see how much you like, how much it's like too intense for you. And if it is, you can start using your original fluffy brush with that lighter pink color to blend out the top of your crease to your brow. You're still learning. It takes a bunch of practice and you'll be fine. Like, you don't learn this overnight. That's why it's the perfect time right now. We're in quarantine, you're not going anywhere, because we all know why. Do I have to say? Coronavirus! Going in with that other shade Libra and just going back and forth with both of them. So next you're gonna take this color, the Scorpio, with your finger. Place it all over the spots where you put purple, that Sagittarius color. With the new finger, you're gonna take this color, Cancer. It's like a shimmery light pink color. You're gonna put that right in the center of it all. This is gonna make your eye look pop. And you can take both colors, barely pat on the purple, and make sure that they blend together. I like to take my little pinky and we're gonna place that in the front of our eye as well. Blend it up a little bit. Next, I'm taking this pencil brush with Libra, your transitional color. You're going on your under eye. Then you're gonna grab Scorpio and you're just gonna bring it on the outside of your eye so that the ends connect on the top of your eye and the bottom of your eye. So you're just gonna blend that until you meet with your iris. Use this Cancer shade again. We're gonna take it with a small shader brush, taking it in our brow or underbrow area. Bringing that bright shade in. Look at that. Heyo. Wow. That looks amazing. I love the way that looks. Just makes your brow bone pop. Pop. It's stopping right here. I did poke my eye. Of course I did. Wow, she's looking really good. I'm so proud. Yes. What's happening? It's okay. That's okay. I'm very pale. Jesus. She is pale. Oh, it's okay. We're gonna warm each other. We're gonna warm each other up. Next, I'm gonna put some mascara on. We're gonna decide if we want lashes or not, but I have a feeling I'm not gonna want lashes. I'll be right back. Wow, she looks really cute with mascara. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to finish this look. This looks so good. Next, I'm going to take this palette that I made with ColourPop. I picked out separate shades that I wanted. It was like a $35 for the palette when you could pick out these colors. We are going to take this really orangey warm color just to warm up my face a little bit because she's looking a little bland as usual. It's fine. Why am I looking this good at 9:51 at night? Taking my stipple brush, the F14. Oh, by the way, this bronzer color is called Gettin' Handsy. Ooh, saucy. Now I'm gonna take Glass Slipper for my blush. We're gonna take Hippo. It's this nice purple highlighter color. Oh my god. Like seriously? Seriously.
Wow.
I'm just going to dab that on the tops of my cheeks.
Oh yeah.
Look at her glow. Look at her glow. That album dropping in 2021 because 2020 is canceled. I say you need to get it. Although I don't know if they have it still. Let's check. Guys, it's on the website, but it's freaking sold out. Why are you sold out? And then we're gonna put a little on a Cupid's bow, make it pop. Pop. I think it's time for the most important element of this video, Qeaux Beauty. I'm gonna line my lips with Ahja. This is from ColourPop. We are going in with the beautiful
Calicake.
Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this color. I'm telling you, you're gonna feel so confident in this freaking look. Look at me! Look at me. It's simple. It looks so intricate, but it's simple. I promise you, you can do it. I really enjoyed putting this look together for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it so much. Almost forgot the most important thing, even though I don't need this right now. We're still gonna do it for the vid. We're gonna set my face with All Star. You already know it.
ColourPop.
So I'm just gonna wrap up this video with go follow Qeaux Beauty. If you aren't already following me, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell because it lets you know when I have posted a video like this one. It's my passion and I'm so happy to be in this state of mind and in this place in my life to do what I love. Thanks for clicking on this video. This was the second out of 4 looks that I'm doing, so obviously the next one's gonna be a little bit more toned down. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!